up.
No.
Oh, she loves
Yeah,
step up.
ring.
Step up. Step up. Come on. Step up. She's not used to your voice.
Okay. Well,
But she's not frightened of strangers.
no, well, check it out.
She loves jewelry.
Check it
and,
out.
she
See
loves
the watches on this hand.
Yes, and diamonds. And, yeah, she loves jewelry.
Look at all the
kinds.
diamonds I have.
Look at them all.
Yeah.
Look at them all.
Yeah.
Did you take in there? Eh?
Smile.
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 Oh, good. Oh, I love the color.
She's such a pretty girl. She's ever so smart. She's very smart. Well, they can live to 40 years, but probably 15 to 20.
It's only 2 months old, though.
Yes, to 13 weeks.
A long time to go yet.
Yeah. For a home is a bit cold.
Do you know what? Do you not want to look at my face? That's the issue. You don't want to look at my face?
Can I get you guys?
Oh,
Look,
she's
pretty.
Oh,
She's a pretty girl. Took her to the vets on Friday, and he checked her over, and he said she's magnificent. He wanted to take her home. He said she's a beautiful specimen of her breed, you know. She had a beak all done. They have a thing when they go over a beak, like a draw thing that smooths the beak because it grows. And she had her little feet done. He had her in a towel, and she was as good as gold. He couldn't believe how good she was because she's so tame. And then she had her blood taken out of her neck.
Oh my.
For blood testing, and then she had her pooch taken.
Oh my. Did you poop?
She's had her physical. She's had her physical.
Yeah.
So empty in this house. It's so quiet and empty. She's put a little bit of sparkle back in the house, you know.
We went to the market yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And we go and look at the dogs. Did you know you couldn't get near them? It's crowded. People with dogs and
We love a dog
fighting
too.
and jumping up and down.
Oh, I know. They're so full of life,
And they have them in the picker and mouth too. Have you been in there?
Yeah, but I won't go in there. You know what? If they're not sold,
Yeah.
those dogs aren't sold, they kill them.
They
Yeah,
don't.
they do. I just found that out.
What?
If they're not sold,
They put them down.
they put them down.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
so I can never go in that store again.
Oh, is it?
Oh, I
It's
didn't
very-
know that.
Parrot, a pink one.
You can take her out if you want.
No.
You can take her out.
No.
But those dogs, they melt you, don't they?
Oh, I know. Yeah, it does. Now that I know that it's not
Oh, I
sold,
didn't
Birdie Num Num. What's she eating? What's Birdie Num Num eating? What's Lola eating? What you got in there? Carrot. Oh, good carrot. You got good carrot? Eh? You got good carrots?
Yeah.
Carrot tastes good?
So some people are forced them home and
I mean, I tell you, he's my cleaning market. I tell you, he's going to Africa, and that's Laura, you know, who's coming in May. She went to the school group for me. But that's under her, they step up. Yeah, then she won't phone. Yeah, the watch. Anything shiny.
Oh, yeah, you won't make it.
No, anything shiny, she's going to go after. There you go. There we go. I don't think she'll ever talk. I don't think she'll talk.
No.
They don't normally.
Well, Mark can.
If it was a cock bird, it might do.
Oh, well. He would.
She might not.
Oh, yeah, that's
Cock
right.
birds do.
Oh, yeah, that's, yeah.
Yeah, but we couldn't get a cock.
Oh, now you're after my diamond?
Yeah, she's out, loves jewelry. Loves jewelry.
Expecting it.
Yes, she is. She checks out the diamonds. They sparkle and they get her
Yeah,
attention.
they do.
There you go. What are you doing?
So what are you doing now?
The breeder told us that a man who lived on